Hi there, this is the 2020 Supra Key fob, and we're going to open this up and I'm going to show you how to change the battery on it. First thing you need is a tiny little screwdriver like that, and then your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032s, and I got this off Amazon. They're dirt cheap. There's a link below in the description if you need yours. Okay, so first order of business, you need to remove this mechanical key, and you do that by pressing this button right here, sliding that out. And this is BMW X5s have like the same exact key fob. It's kind of interesting. All right, so right here, there's a little lip right there. Just put your key here. Just a gentle little twist. That comes up. All right, so there's the guts. Looks good. And if you had fingernails, I think you could do this too, but I'm going to use this little screwdriver. Put it right there, pop that out. All right, and get your new battery. Positive side goes up, put it in like so. Click it down under those two. And this, there's two little tabs right there. Slide those in. Slide those in, give that a good squeeze there. Put your mechanical key back in, you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.